Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brianna, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the different ways to make a profit as a stylist outside of just your services, because there actually are many different ways that you can make a profit. You know, a lot of times people think that, or aspiring stylists think you just have to start out with styling family and friends, and that's not, the only way to make money as a stylist, and that's why I want to do this video today. Many fashion stylists really don't realize that there's so many different ways that you can make a profit outside of just the service that you provide for your clients. And so that's why I really want to go over this, so that you don't ever feel limited to the amount of money that you can make and the different ways that you can make it. Okay, so of course we have to talk about the first way, which is, your service. You're providing a service to your clients. You're shopping for them. You're putting the outfits together for them. And that is considered the service. And there are three ways to make money from this. And the first one is an hourly rate. The second one is going to be package rates. And the third is going to be monthly retainer rates. And I'll go over each one because I want to make sure that you understand the difference between them all. Okay, so let's talk about the hourly rate. Now, as a stylist, I don't really think it's a good idea to start off with hourly. And I know a lot of people think that, but the reason is you are really doing a lot and you're going to put a lot of pressure on yourself to get things done at a certain time and not really realize the value of what you're offering. So when you're doing an hourly rate, think about all the things that you're doing. You're getting your client, then you're sitting down with them to really figure out what it is that their goals are. You're going over, different mood boards with them to really finalize those looks. You're going shopping, you're doing fittings, you're doing all these different things. And an hourly rate, in the beginning, you're going to feel like you have to do so much, for your client. And like I said, it's going to put a lot of pressure on you. And you only have 24 hours in a day. So give yourself freedom in your business to set up package rates, which is the second. Now, package rates really show the full value of your services. You list out all the things that you're going to do, and you set that package rate so that the client can see all the value that you're providing them. And then the third is going to be the monthly retainer rates. Now, monthly retainer rates are amazing because you'll have an idea each month of what your income is going to be. You're not going to have to always think about having to get new clients. So, I really stress, finding those good clients that really want to work with you through your packages, and then have them come on as a monthly retainer client, because it's going to give you so much more peace of mind, and knowing that, one, you have great relationships with the clients that you're working with. This is like a business where you have consistency and income coming in through that monthly retainer. So I really stress making sure that you get those packages and then retainers, but monthly retainers are definitely better, when you are working as a stylist. And then also think about this when it comes to hourly rates. When you are styling with your client, you're going to get better and better as you grow in your business, and your hours are going to get lowered. As you continue to gain experience, you're going to be much quicker with the things that you're providing and doing in your business. You're going to get quicker with knowing the stores to shop at. You're going to get quicker with knowing how to create your mood boards. You're going to get quicker when it comes to doing your fittings and how you organize those things. And you shouldn't be jeopardized for being able to do your job more efficiently and quicker. You want to be rewarded for those things. So once you get in the flow of knowing how to set up your mood boards and sitting down with your client to really determine what their goals are, once you understand how to do your fittings quicker, or the stores to go to and all those things, you don't want to be jeopardized for an hourly rate and minimize the hours that it takes you to do your services. So I definitely don't think hourly is a great way to go, but that is the number one way to bring in that income from your styling services. If you are finding this helpful, make sure that you hit that button to like and subscribe, and also let me know what questions do you have. How can I help you better understand the industry of fashion styling, because I really want to be able to help you guys. I know that when I first started, this information was really, really hard to come by. And so that is why I created this. I don't want you to feel alone on your journey. I want you to feel like you have the knowledge, the information, the resources to even just get started, so that you can at least get your portfolio created, so that you can at least get your first client, and then consistently go about getting more and more and more, because I know this is what you love to do. We love fashion. That's why you're here. So please drop a comment below. Let me know your questions, because I'm here to provide all the information that I can through my knowledge and experience that I've had throughout my years. The number 2 way is through packages. Now, with all those things we said, you know, sitting down with your client with a mood board and shopping and fittings and all those things, you can provide all that in your package rate. It's a larger rate, but it will allow your client to really see the full package service value that you're providing them with your business. So packages are also great. Now, the third one, I strongly suggest that you work towards attaining this with your clients, and that is going to be the monthly retainer clients. Those are amazing for you because it gives you the freedom to work in your business, to know the amount of income that you're bringing in on a monthly basis, to have consistent, you know, clients that you're working with. It'll be much more trust there, and it'll feel so much better having those monthly retainer clients, because you're really going to, you know, have a client that you have on a consistent basis, one, but you'll know the amount of income that you're bringing in on a consistent basis, and you won't really have to always think about looking for more clients all the time. Bonus tip, separating the mentality that you're only charging your clients based off of your worth will help you scale your business much more than you can possibly believe. You have to realize that the service that you're providing has nothing to do with your worth. It has to do with the value that you're offering your clients. And once you get that in your head, you're really going to scale in your business. Remember, the service that you provide is always worth the price. You want your clients to understand and really appreciate that. Okay, so let's talk about the next way, and that is going to be through brand partnerships. Now, it's not necessarily in the way that you may think. However, it's a great way to make some extra income. So let's say, for example, that you are a personal stylist and you're shopping for your clients, you're going to certain stores consistently, and you are starting to make great relationships with them. Stores have a way for stylists to make money as if they are actually working in the store, but you're not. You are going to be like a contractor with them. Stores actually work with stylists and will give you commission on the products and pieces and, you know, things that you're purchasing from them, as if you were on the floor. So think about it, as you're on the retail floor, and you know, you get your hourly and then you get your commission on the side. That is going to be the same thing in your own business model. So you're getting not just your hourly, you're getting your package rates from your clients. A lot of stores will have it set up where you can get a commission off the things that you're selling. It's literally like you're working with them as a brand partnership, and it is considered a brand partnership. You're selling these products, you're getting rewarded for selling these products, and you're also making money from your services and your packages. Now, in a virtual sense, the next way is going to be through affiliate marketing. Very, very similar to brand partnerships, and actually it is considered a brand partnership because you are marketing these products and you're getting commission off of them as well, but you're doing it from the comfort of your own home. So for example, you have your own links and you're able to provide your clients with these links, and these links can be to Zara, you know, items. They can be through Amazon items. They can be through all these different, you know, stores that you shop at. But when the client shops, you actually get paid commission for it as well. And you're doing it from the comfort of your own home because you're sending out these digital, you know, assets, maybe a mood board, maybe your website that has these links on it for your client to shop. So that is another great way to make money as a stylist on top of your services and packages. Here are a few different websites that you can use. You can use Amazon, you can use Share a Sale, you can use Skim Links. You can use so many different platforms, and I'll provide the links below so that you can also have this set up for yourself in order to use them for your clients, and like I said, make an additional income. Now, maybe you really don't want to, you know, work hands-on with your clients. Maybe you want to, you know, reach the masses, and you can really do that through, you know, affiliate marketing, especially as a virtual stylist, because you can just have, you know, your website or your social media, or even like, for example, your YouTube. You can have it set up where you are, you know, showing what you have and then providing these links to your customers, your clients, your followers, in order to make those purchases, and boom, you get paid from that as well. Now, one thing that I would suggest is making sure that, you know, the platform that you decide to, whether it be share sales, skim links. Honestly, you can do them with many different ones, but I always suggest with starting out with one. And I would say that the one that you decide to use first off, make sure that they carry the brands that you really like. What are the stores that you normally shop at? What are, you know, the brands that you would like to promote and sell? That is the platform that I would highly suggest you starting off with first. This way, it'll feel more natural to you because you actually know the products already. You're just suggesting them and talking about them with, you know, your followers or with your friends or whoever it may be that you are starting to build off of. So affiliate marketing is a great way, you know, to start building on your business. There are honestly a lot of millionaires out here, you know, who have literally started their business off of simply affiliate marketing. So I want you to keep an eye out for, you know, those things, like when you are online and you see someone suggesting maybe a top that they're wearing or a blouse that they're wearing, or maybe they have a mood board and they have all these different looks on them. You'll see that they'll also provide a way for you to shop those links. And that is affiliate marketing right there. That is how they're making income, and that's a way that you can make an income as well. So I hope you really enjoyed this video where we talked about some of the ways that you can make an additional income outside of just personal styling your clients, and I can add some bonuses on there, how you can set your business up as far as getting paid hourly, packages, and monthly retainer clients. If you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know that you really enjoyed this video so that I can provide you with more value and that you will get better equipped to knowing how to start and get booked in your business.